Bob, given the current climate in the news, what exactly is attorney-client privilege?
Well, I thought I knew that until a few days ago. The general rule used to be that attorney client privilege was when you retain an attorney, meaning you hire an attorney and pay a fee to consult with that attorney. Generally, anything you tell that attorney is privileged. You are not able to tell other people, what your discussion was about. Of course, with the raid recently on Trump's attorney, that whole question has come up again and may actually start being redefined as what attorney-client privilege is. Uh, but one thing I did mention is that you have to hire an attorney. You just can't be out in a social setting and bump into an attorney and talk to them about a certain topic and expect the attorney, just because he's an attorney, to keep your confidence, unless of course you've hired him. The other time attorney-client privilege does not apply is if, for instance, you told me something, you hired me and told me something, but then you went out and told 10 other people, then that sort of wipes out the attorney-client privilege. Another exception to attorney-client privilege is if you and I have some sort of disagreement over how I represented you and you sue me for malpractice, then attorney-client privilege goes out the window because I will then have to testify as to what you told me, the advice I gave you, etc. And the last exception to attorney-client privilege would be if you either asked me how could you go about committing a crime and get away with it, or that you are about to commit a crime, then attorney-client privilege goes out the window. Uh, as a general rule, until a few days ago, attorney client privilege was mostly anything you said to your retained attorney. But as the news unfolds, as the law may be redefined, it's pretty questionable what attorney client privilege means in 2018.